Hello, I'm Roberto. I'm here with the Stanford Vision Lab, and we are bringing today JackRabbot, our social mobile manipulator robot. Jack here is supposed to be very soon in human environments, so in malls, in airports, on campus, where it's already navigating and perceiving the world. And the main focus on Jack is on being safely among people. So we want this type of robots to be in human environments and to perceive how humans are moving around in the environment and how people are gathering to talk or children go with their parents. So this type of information is something that the robot needs to perceive, understand, and respect when it's navigating the environment. So we call this social intelligence, and this is the focus of this project. We want Jack to be able to perceive humans, perceive human emotions, perceive human intentions, and take this into account when it has to perform its own tasks. There's a large variety of tasks, including last mile delivery, guidance from a point to another, like from the entrance of the airport to the gate, also surveillance in different scenarios, but all of this with the focus of there's going to be a lot of people around, and the robot has to be able to perceive these people, respect these people, and take these people into account when it has to perform its own tasks. One of the things that the robot needs to do, being able to communicate its own intentions. For that, we have developed a repertoire of emotions and intentions that the robot can actually show through facial expressions, through arm gestures, through lighting, and through sound. So the robot can look around in 360 and see all the people that is around it, but not only people, it can also identify different objects that are important for its own tasks, like there are chairs in the environment that it needs to push around to help elderly people to walk through, or if there are some mobile phones or plants that the robot needs to pick up to bring to another place. All these things can be recognized using the latest deep neural network algorithms. If you want to know more about this project and other projects that we are doing in our lab, search for us. We are the SVL group in Stanford, and this is the JackRabbot project. Thank you.